Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that work together to connect two ideas. One common pair is neither and nor, which are used to show that two things are not true or will not happen. Neither nor is used to show that neither one option nor the other is true. It is used for two negative choices, meaning both options are not happening or not correct. Here are examples of neither nor in sentences. For example, neither the dog nor the cat is allowed on the furniture. Another example is she neither called nor sent an email. These sentences show that both options are negative. More examples help you understand usage. Neither Mark nor Sarah attended the meeting. I like neither coffee nor tea. The car is neither fast nor reliable. Notice how both options are rejected in each sentence. The basic structure of neither nor is neither followed by the first option, then nor followed by the second option. Both parts must be the same type of word, like noun with noun or verb with verb, to keep the sentence correct. When using neither nor, both parts need to match in grammar. Do not use double negatives by adding not with neither. The verb in the sentence agrees with the part of the sentence that is closest to it. For example, neither the teacher nor the students are here. Try these practice sentences by filling in the blanks with neither nor. For example, I have neither time nor money. She wants neither cake nor ice cream. Neither John nor Mary came to the party. Practice helps to remember the correct structure and use.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.